In today's training, we'll be talking about how to log into our DTC. So if you're a partner, come closer, how to log into our DTC and add accounts in a very easy way. So 8 Plan 3.0 is actually very simple to use if you understand. So this very training is how to log in and add accounts. So pick up your browser. I'll be using my browser here. So go to type, there's a website you're going to type my.economydesigner3.com login. So that's what you search and type to bring you to this space. You see this very website you're seeing here, Economy Designer. So that's the one you have to click on that one. Don't click any other one. These other ones you're seeing here might be an individual website, might be a personal website. So don't click the other ones. If you check, you see, don't click those ones, because these ones might take you to a personal page. It might not be the company's page. So the one you're going to use that will give you what you want is this very one here. This one has username, password, and the rest of the thing. But this very one on top here, I believe you're seeing where my cursor is. So I'll click that one, and that one is going to load. Normally, when you search that place, it will bring you down to this point. Once it brings you here, so you enter your username and your password and click continue. It's very simple. Don't use this other registration here to do registration again. That one is, I won't give you long thing. So use this very pattern I'm going to show you today and log in. So once you log in, it's going to show you your inventory in case you have any products outstanding on your e-store, so you can see, you can post it on time. But that being said, we'll move on. You go to your dashboard. So you see how the dashboard is. The business is very sweet and simple. So this is my dashboard. Like you can see, this is mine. You see available balance, you see total, every other thing. You see your rank. I'm a gold executive member. Like you can see, you see available travel gift check I have, product gift check I have on this particular account, and the rest of the thing. So you can come here. You see, it's going to welcome you, your qualifications, and every other thing. Tells you, give you information about it. Then your account info. This is where your account info is. So you click here. Once you click the account info, it's going to open it. Like you can see, everything about the website is going to open. If you scroll down, please, when you scroll down, for you to see everything, scroll down, come to this see more. Then you click see more. When you click see more, it's going to show everything, including all the money that this company have paid you. Yes, you are going to say, I believe you don't want to see all that they have paid you, because if I show you, it will shock you. So it's going to show you everything as it's loading. Let it load. Let it load. Now I'm going to even show you the potential of what is. Man, this business is way bigger than what I ever expected. Trust me, way bigger than what I expected. Trust me, this is the best business I've ever seen. The business is quite simple, Go in and learn the business. Go through this website. I will encourage you to digest this website. This website is very heavy. It's very heavy. It's very, very loaded. So don't just take it casually and play along with it, and you don't. Go through it. Study the website very well. If you can understand the website, then your growth in this business will be very, very fast. Because you are going to understand these things better. You're not going to wait for someone to tell you, oh, it's this and that. There's no money or there's money. You won't wait for that. It's real or it's not real. As a matter of fact, you can see I'm the only one who is talking to you. This is my page. This is my page standing here. Here's my name, the BT to go, my email here. Everything is here. You can see how transparent it is. So it's not something you're thinking, oh, is it real or it's not? I'm logging to my page. This is my page. Yes, my available balance as at the time of this very recording. Available balance on the website by tomorrow it might increase, because if registration comes in tomorrow or this even this night itself, maybe before I wake up it might be like 200,000. Before I wake up it might be like 200 or thereabout. So it's quite very simple. Do you understand? So it's real. Now you click account info. When you click account info, it will tell you the country that you are. Me, I'm a Nigerian. You know that already now. And my package right now is a mega pack. Now it's tell you available points. I have available points. Like imagine this. This is from one account to not all my account to just one. Imagine available point that you say this is 2,666,450,000. Now each 700 here is paying me 7,000 naira. Each 7, divide this by 700. Any 700 I have by the right is 7,000 naira. Divide it by the 700 and multiply by 7,000. Imagine, God forbid, I can't quit. Imagine someone that quits. What is losing? Imagine they say I quit today, God forbid. Now this is where this company is better than other companies. In other companies, this is your point. If you don't do your PMA, your maintenance by next month, if you don't maintain your PV by next month, this point will flush out. But here is your point, is your point for life. Nothing happens to it. Some company you have to renew. If you don't renew, this point will go. But our own, ever since I registered 2019, is still there. The point will still accumulate. The company will still be paying me. They're asking me to do the business at my pace. That is it. This is the best company ever, whether you like it or not. In this very ID, I have about 60 something, 64 product gift check. Now, this is another thing. You see this paid this cycle. How many times I can make money in this cycle? 7,000 times 18 this cycle. So at this point, the company can pay me 7,000 times 18 in the morning times 18 in the evening. Do you understand now? That is it. So you need to check this, because this is where people do have flush out. If you don't understand this, you register more than. For now, the company says it can pay me 7,000 times 18 in the morning and 7,000 times 18 at night. How much would that be? Go and do the math. In one account, to multiply that by 31 accounts, multiply that by 54 accounts. For those that have up to 54 accounts, how much is that in a day? This is what you know, that if you are not doing this business, you are missing. Do you understand now? You are really missing. You are really missing. Now, for me to talk much about that, let's move on. In order for you to add accounts, all you need to do is come to your genealogy, click your genealogy. It's going to open your genealogy like this, and you're going to see everyone that are under you. Now, when it's come to this business, you are the head of your business. You're the president of the business. So you're going to be on top of it. Do you understand? You're the one that's going to be on top of it, and you're going to see everyone that are under you. So if you want to add account, you're going to see where you're going to add account, where you're supposed to add account. Now, like you can see, this is my name here. These are people under me. Imagine my left, my right, and the rest of the thing. So it's not something that you say, is it real or is not real? This me, I'm doing the business. You can see how transparent it is. People that are under my team already. At this time I'm talking to you, I have more than 6,000 persons. As at the time of this very recording, I have more than 6,000 persons under my team. So it's not something like I'm thinking, is it going to work? Is it not something that is going to work? Is it something that if you come in you're going to regret or not? No, it's not. Look at, you can see now, this is me here on top. This is me here. Now this is the first account I started this business with. A borrowed money to start this business. This is the first one. Now these are the first 2 people I recruited into the business. The business is very transparent. There's no story. This is the first 2 persons I brought into the business, and I received 10,800 for bringing them in. Like that. The business keep going. I didn't know, when I realized that the importance of multiple accounts, I've already blocked all of this. I have to go and borrow money and come and put myself here at 23. You can see myself at 23. Me that is on top here. I'm the same one that is at now, and I have to come and add account at 23. Meanwhile, if I knew, I would have secured all these accounts for myself. Can you see the disadvantage now? So if you are here and you're having one account, my dear, you're wasting your time. So let's assume you want to add account. That's what I want to show you now. So let me use this number 13 to add this account. See, this is me at number 1. So I want to add account under number 13. Do you understand? So what I need to do is quite simple. To add this account is very simple. Just come to number 13. Number 27 is under 13. And number 26 is under 13. So 27 have been consumed already. Someone else have used it already. So I want to put someone under, I want to add this account under 26, which is free. So double tap 26 is going to open this place like this. It says it's fast. This website is very fast, except you don't have network. But if you have network, it's very fast. Yes, it's not something you say, oh, it's not working, except you don't have network. But if you have network, it's very fast. So it's going to open this place for you. So you choose the kind of account you want to add. What kind of account do you want to add? You choose it and add. Is it add account or new registration? See, if it's new registration, come to business partner. This one here, this one I'm touching here. This way you do new registration. But if it is add account, personal, do you understand now? So you touch, if it is add account, you touch here. And you have highlighted it now. You come to continue. You click continue. Now once you click continue, it's going to open this space for you. So what you can only do here is you can only change sponsor ID. You cannot change this very ID. This one is not possible. You can't change it. It's automatic. That is where you click. That is not ID of that number 13. And you cannot change this left. You can't change this left. Do you know why? It's not possible to change it. This position, you can't change it because that is the left now that you click. That 26 is the left. You understand? Let's check it again so you can see, you can understand what I'm talking about. See it here now. The ID of this number 13 is that one. Now the left The left hand of 13 is this 26. So we double click the 13, the 26. And when we double click 26 like this, and it's open. We now come and say we want to add accounts. So it is going to bring us in. We click continue. So we are here. At this point, the only thing you can change is this sponsor. You can't change this one and this one. So now, who is going to be the sponsor? You remove it and put the right sponsor's ID. After you put the right sponsor ID and finish, you click continue. It's going to take you to where you put activation pin. So you just put the activation user ID here and the pin and click continue. Once you click continue, you verify. And once the verification is complete, you say okay. Remember that place now. Now say complete and continue. Registration is done. I believe you've learned. It's very simple. Very, very simple. Let me take it once again. Once again so you see it well. Remember, this is how to add account. Go to genealogy. Come to this place. Go to where you want to add that account. I best prefer log in with the owner's account, the upline's account, or the owner, or if it is our account, log in his account. If you log in his account, that means he's the one that's going to be this 13 now. So you just click 26. Once you click 26, you come to personal. Once you come to personal, you're good to go already. You're good to go. You just need to scroll down, click continue, and change this sponsor ID to the right sponsor ID. Once you put it and finish, you click continue. You will get to ask you for the pin. You put the pin, click continue. It's going to verify once it's correct. Why this one is not correct is because I've not put the pin and the user ID. You understand now? So once I put it and it's correct, you confirm it. Then that's complete, and I click continue, complete. That's for how to add account. It's quite simple. So go and add your account and enjoy it. When you're in cash, you thank me later. But what if it's a new registration? You want to do registration? It's the same thing. Let's assume I want to do this registration under this number 10. I want to put it under number 5. That's number 10. This place is number 10 is. All I just have to do is double click it and come to new partner. Do you understand now? I click there. Once I click this new partners, business partner EC, I've highlighted it, right? I click continue. It now is going to give me space to fill the person's name. First name, second name, date of birth. Then date of birth, something very sensitive here. Please change this user name to the person's username, and the password, change it to the person's password. Confirm the password. Then change the sponsor ID to the right sponsor ID, but you cannot change upline ID. This one is not changeable. You cannot change this one, but you can change this one to the right one. Do you understand? And you can also change this one. It's not possible, unlike other ones. So why am I explaining this? Because the other one we can change all of this, but you know, if you're not careful, you can go and put this person where you don't want to put it. But this one, that kind of mistake cannot happen. It cannot happen. Hope you've gotten value. If you've gotten value, please kindly like, share, and comment so that other people can have this benefit. Let's go and tell the world that we have found the best business in the world. Yes, we have found the best business in the world. So everything is the same. Everything is the same. Once you fill this form and finish, every other thing is just the same. You understand? So my best is to see that you don't fail in this business. You see everything, you just put the pay, confirmation, and everything. You're good to go. You're good to go. You're good to go. So that's that on how to add account for today. You don't have to worry. All you just have to do is stay tuned. Stay tuned to the business. Take it serious. Don't joke with your business. Don't allow anybody to carry you and play game. Then you say it's not working. So it's working. It's only working when you're working. That is it. So that's where we can stop for today. Go and maximize your business. Go and have enough registration. I love you so much, and bye bye for now.